Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money quickly, but your bank was slow to process your transaction? It can be frustrating, especially if you're in a financial pinch. In this video, I'm going to talk about how long it takes for Lunar Bank to process a transaction. Lunar Bank is a relatively new bank that is quickly gaining popularity. They offer a number of innovative banking products and services, including a high-yield savings account and a free checking account. What is Lunar Bank? Before I get into the details of how long it takes for Lunar Bank to process your transactions, I want to take a quick moment to explain what Lunar Bank is. Lunar Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the things that makes Lunar Bank unique is that it is a completely paperless bank. This means that you can do all of your banking online or through the Lunar Bank app. How long does it take for Lunar Bank to process your transactions? Now that you know a little bit about Lunar Bank, let's get to the meat of the matter. How long does it take for Lunar Bank to process your transactions? The answer to this question depends on the type of transaction that you are making. Deposits are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days. Withdrawals are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days. Transfers between Lunar Bank accounts are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days. Transfers to other banks can take up to 5 business days. Checks can take up to 7 business days to clear. Bill payments are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days. Factors that can affect the processing time of your transactions. There are a few factors that can affect the processing time of your transactions. The type of transaction, as I mentioned above, the type of transaction that you are making will affect the processing time. The time of day that you make the transaction. Transactions that are made during business hours are typically processed more quickly than transactions that are made outside of business hours. The weekend or holiday. Transactions that are made on weekends or holidays are typically processed on the next business day. Tips for speeding up the processing time of your transactions. Here are a few tips that you can follow to speed up the processing time of your transactions. Make sure that you have entered your information correctly. Make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account. Make sure that you are making the transaction during business hours. Avoid making transactions on weekends or holidays. With that said, thanks for watching.